It is good day to be not dead.
You are dead.
I'm dead.
Hi all, this is Kermit the Frog, and I'm here to tell you the story about Emmett Otter's...
Who are you?
You.
No, not me, you.
Yes, I am you.
Just answer the damn questions. Who are you?
I have told you.
Are you deaf?
No, you is blind.
I'm not blind, you blind.
That is what I just said.
You just said what?
I did not say what. I said you.
That's what I'm asking you.
And you is answering.
Shut up. You.
Yes?
Not you, him. What's your name?
Me.
Yes, you.
I am me. He's me. And I'm you.
You? Me? Everybody's ass around here.
Hey, Verb.
Let's out Pizza the Hut.
Wait a minute, what's going on? I haven't even finished my cereal.
Agent P. No one out pizzas the hut.
Okay, here goes.
What's the first song you'd play on this?
I think we all know where this is going, so let's just skip to the end.